you have finished the chapter number 10 also, isn't it? I hope all of you have understood. So, today I am going to start a new chapter, that is data handling. Okay, so you must be thinking, what is data handling, isn't it? So you can refer to your book chapter number 11 from page number 164 to 168. You can refer to your book for understanding clearly. Okay, so first of all I am going to make you understand about what is data handling and what is data interpretation. Okay, so first of all I want you to write this definition in your maths copy. So first of all, data handling: gathering and recording information and then presenting it in a way that is meaningful to others. Data handling means gathering and recording some information and presenting, okay, in a way that is meaningful to others. So now the second one is data interpretation. Okay, it is the process of making sense of numerical data that has been collected and presented. Data interpretation. It is the process of making sense of numerical data that has been collected, okay, and presented. Like, for example, I have given you here. Like, this is the example of data interpretation. Okay, you think that in a market there are fruit market. Okay, there is a fruit market, and in each box there are fruit kept in each box. That is, in the first box, let us think 1, 2, 3. These are apples, these are mangoes, and these are bananas. Think that in a fruit market there are fruits kept in each box. Okay, first of all let us count this apple. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. 1, 2. 2 mangoes in another box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bananas in one box. So this is the interpretation, like we present, or isn't it, like in a market there are fruits kept, okay, fruits are kept there, and we go over there, and if we buy some 1 kg apple, otherwise 4 apples, otherwise 5 apples, we count it, isn't it? We count it, how much quantity is there, we count it, isn't it? Like for example, we can arise some questions like which fruit is the most in number. Like in a market there are some fruits are kept, and over here which fruit is the most in number. Most means which fruit is more in number, more. Okay, like here are 3, 2, 4, and which is the most in number? You see over here, bananas. So bananas are in most number, means in a fruit market there are in most number, that is bananas. Okay, you can ask some questions like which fruit is least in number, least. Like you can see here, here is 3, here 2, here 4. So which fruit is least in number? 2. Mangoes. Okay, mangoes, it is least in number, that means less in number. Okay, so you can arise some questions like how many fruits are there in all. Like in a fruit market there are many fruits kept. Okay, then how many numbers are there in all? All means all fruits we have to count. Okay, like here is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in all there are 9 fruits kept in a market. Same way to handle the data, I will show you some example. I will give you some example You can see over here. Okay. Like while making a house, we make a house using different shapes, isn't it? Different shapes. So over here we can see this house and we can take out the number of each shapes. Okay, like this is circle, isn't it? This is circle and this is a square. This is a rectangle. This is a triangle. You can see over here, we can count, okay, how many circles are in this house. 1, 2 circles. What is this? This is a square. Square. 1, 2, 3 squares. 3 squares, okay. Altogether it is, there are 3 squares in one house. The next one is rectangle. How many rectangle? 1 rectangle. So we can write here 1. So the last is, what is this? Triangle. How many triangles in this house? 1 triangle, isn't it? So this is the information which we gather of each thing. Okay, like in a family members also we do have children, isn't it? Different male, female children. Yes, and also in order to record or in order to gather some information, we write it in our record copy, isn't it? Like how many male children are there? Like you think, for example, 2 male children, like 2 boys and 3 girls, like that we present in a data handling. Okay, children, I want you to refer your book chapter number 11 to understand it clearly. Write these definitions in your copy. You can write the examples also. Okay, thank you and see you in the next class.